Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that so many people are curious about: how to make money online, and more importantly, whether it's actually real or just another internet myth. Maybe you've seen people claiming they earn cash just by using their phones, clicking buttons, or playing games. And if you're like me, your first thought is probably, is this legit or just another scam? Well, I've been testing out one particular app recently, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how much I've earned, and how you can get started today. The app we're talking about is called Lucid Rewards. It's a free app that lets you earn small amounts of money by completing really simple tasks. Think of it like a micro-task platform where companies pay you to try out apps, register accounts, or reach certain levels in games. Now, I know there are a lot of apps out there that make big promises, but what I like about Lucid Rewards is that it's actually user-friendly, doesn't overwhelm you with ads, and best of all, you can start earning right away without investing any money. I already have the app installed on my phone, so let me open it up and walk you through what it looks like. When you first log in, you'll see a super simple interface. At the top, there's your balance, showing exactly how much you've earned. Below that is a list of available tasks. Each one tells you what you need to do, like install an app or something like that. The tasks are clearly labeled, and each one shows you how much money you'll earn once it's completed. Based on my own experience, the tasks range anywhere from $1 up to $20 per task, depending on how involved they are. Some only take 2 to 3 minutes. Others might take 10 to 15 minutes, like reaching level 10 in a game, but they pay more. The best part is, new tasks appear every day. So if you're consistent, you can earn a little bit of side money on a daily basis. Once you've earned money, you can withdraw your balance directly using one of several payment methods, like PayPal or bank account. I personally used PayPal for my first withdrawal, and it went through without any problems. No hidden fees, no delays, just a straightforward process. That alone gave me a lot more confidence in the app, because most scammy platforms never actually let you cash out. Lucid Rewards does. If you're ready to give Lucid Rewards a try, downloading it is super simple. Just head over to their official website, which is lucidrewards.com. On the website, you'll find a ton of useful information, including exactly how the app works, answers to frequently asked questions, and most importantly, proof that people are actually getting paid. You can scroll through real screenshots showing successful withdrawals. I was honestly surprised at how much money people have already earned and withdrawn from this app. It's kind of insane when you see the numbers. When you're ready, click the Download the App button to get started. Now, before the download begins, you'll need to go through a quick one-time verification step. This helps prevent bots and abuse and keeps the app fair for real users. It's very straightforward, and once you're done, you'll be able to download and use the app without any issues. And if you ever feel stuck, the website also has a step-by-step tutorial to help walk you through everything. So that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you understand how Lucid Rewards works and whether it's something you want to try. If you've used the app before, let me know your experience down in the comments. I'd love to hear how much you've earned and which tasks you liked best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want more tips on making money online, discovering useful apps, and finding legit side hustles. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.